Welcome to the LazyCash tutorial, how to use it. First, when you successfully sign up, you should go to the Earn page. When you choose it, you will be redirected here, and at the top of the page, you should choose our partners like Revlum, CPX, Notic, and whatever else. At this moment, when you're watching this, there may be more partners. So you should check out all and find what fits for you. For Revlum, you should do the short sign up. When you visit the first time, you will need to choose settings like light or dark. I would choose light. You should put your username and your email address. That will not be public and other users can't see it. And choose iOS or Android, whatever you use. When you do that, you will get all the tasks. You choose the right game which fits you, and below you can see steps to complete. Like complete level 30 and you will get 21 coins in LazyCash. And all the other steps you should complete to get coins. At the top you can see the My Activity tab, and there you can check all the progress for tasks you started in Revlum. CPX is for the surveys, so there you can do the surveys and get paid for it. Surveys are different from country to country and get refreshed every day. Notic is similar to Revlum, but it's a mix. It has a lot different types of tasks. There you can choose games, surveys, clicks, installs. For the games, you will get the games which you play. And if you click on this arrow below, you can see which things you should do in the game, like which quest you should complete to get coins, and how many coins you will get for these games. It's an important thing. As you can see, for this game you will get rewarded after 24 hours. So if you don't get instant coins, don't be scared. Now I will do an install task, and I will choose this app. I will just install this app to show you how I will get the coins. When you click on the coins, you will be redirected to the Play Store or App Store, whatever you use. You just click Install and install it. Important thing for iOS users, you must allow in-app tracking so LazyCash can track your progress in these apps or games you're playing and get rewarded. At the top of Notic, you can click on Earning History, and you can see which offers you clicked, which offers you completed, and how many coins you got. As I told you, for some offers you will not get instant coins, so you should maybe wait for a few hours, a few minutes, or like a day or two. Don't be scared. How to withdraw. On the home page, you will see the withdrawal options that are available at this moment for you. In the future, we will add more withdrawal options, and feel free to send us your suggestions for which ones we should add. On the daily page, you can claim daily rewards for daily login. Thank you for watching our short tutorial, and enjoy your earnings.